run an ad for lead generation. And the target we're going to use for this lead generation ad will be to send messages to our WhatsApp, right? So once you log into your TikTok ad manager dashboard, the first thing you want to do at the top right, you see where it says create ad. Go ahead and click on that. Once we are on this next page right here, we are not doing under awareness, we have reached under consideration, we have traffic, videos, and all of that. Then we have conversion, right? Under conversion, we have lead generation. So go ahead and click on lead generation. And under lead generation, you can see that we can collect leads using TikTok instant form. We can collect leads, contact info, and registration on our website, and then we can start a conversation on WhatsApp messengers and TikTok direct messaging. All right. So we're doing for lead generation, and then we can equally do for TikTok direct messaging as well. Okay. So, but let's do for the WhatsApp first, then we can come back. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and name this. So we're going to just name this. You can leave it the way it is, but I prefer to always name it so that when I have different campaigns running, I'll know which one is which. All right. And then after that, we are going to use the ad group budget. If you do this campaign budget, TikTok, the charges will be much actually. So I use the ad group budget, right? And then total limit for the group, if you want to set that, I don't normally set this, I leave it as it is. And then split testing is if you want to target different audience with the same ad, maybe using the same different creative to see the performance, you can go ahead and click on the split option. But right now we'll just leave it as it is, and then we'll click on continue. And here on this next page, we equally have the ad group, so we equally go ahead and name our ad group as well. Once we name that, we are on the optimization and bidding. We have the option to do for website, we have instant form, we have TikTok direct messages, right? I always advise you use this if you're always active on TikTok. Then we are going to do for instant, we have the option to do for instant messaging app, which is WhatsApp and the rest. Okay, that's the one I'm going to use. And then you can do direct phone calls as well, right? You can go ahead and use direct phone calls. Then after that, the goal will be if you start a conversation, this particular one, TikTok gives you, a different layer. Like you need to go set up. If I click on that conversation, for instance, right here, you will see where it says message event setup or message event set, right? So this has always been an issue, most especially if you are in any part of Africa and all of that. Because if I go ahead and select WhatsApp right here, okay, and I go ahead and select that I'm in Nigeria and I add my phone number right here, you can see once I add phone number, right, that message event set disappears. I've set this like time with that number, it has not gone through, right? So for the conversation, just leave it and use the click option, right? So once you use click option, we go ahead and put our phone number right here. If it is phone call too, you just follow the on-screen instruction. But here we just click on the gold should be click, and then we put our phone number right here. And then the bidding strategy, we're going to do cost per, target cost per result. And here it will require us to put an amount, okay, to be able to say, let's just go ahead and put 2 naira. Let's see if TikTok will recommend anything for us. And then these other options, I just leave them the way they are. I don't do anything right there. And then daily target, I can't do 26 TikTok. So let's just do 2K per day. All right, TikTok will recommend 26,000, but let's do 2K because we are doing daily budget, not all time, not lifetime budget. We're doing daily budget, right? And then gold based budget increase, we can just leave that on because TikTok will use it to expand our budget and all of that. Here on this option where it says day pattern, you have the option to select specific day, specific time of the day you want to run your ad, but I'm going to do all day, right? If you want to run your ad on Sunday between 1 a.m. to, you can just go ahead and set all of that. All you just need to do is just to click and drag, all right, and that will be set up. But we'll just use all day. And audience targeting, this is where it get interesting. So for the audience control, the location, we're going to leave it as Nigeria, right? If you want to add other locations, you just click and add, but we're going to leave it as Nigeria. Minimum age, we can start from 25. And then language, we leave it as English. If you have other languages, you can add. And then if you want to exclude any audience, we are not excluding any audience right now. So we just leave that as it is. Then audience suggestion, go ahead and click on this. So we are starting from 25 and all of that. Gender, we're doing for all. Custom audience, we have not set up that. So we are not doing any of that. Interest based, this is where we're going to target, people according to people who be interested in, the services we offer. For this particular ad, I'm promoting a workspace, I'm promoting an office space where people can come have their trainings and all of that, right? So you just sit down, which people will be interested in that. If you click on the creator interaction, we have do it yourself hacks. All right. So if I click on that, we can select that option. We have fitness and health. This can equally fit in. People who are into that will equally need our space for trainings as well. We just sport. Yeah, people in sport can equally need beauty, fashions and beauty, travels. I'm just selecting randomly, right? Technology and education, people in this category too can equally fit in relationships as well. Daily life, motivation, advice, occupation, talent. I believe people who are interested in all of this will be interested in our workspace. Another thing you can do is you can come in here and type, right? For instance, if I go ahead and type freelance, right? You see freelance work. People like this can be interested. Freelancers, freelance, okay? All of this. Anybody is interested in these keywords can equally be interested in the kind of services that we offer. So you just go ahead and select type keywords. Now, if you are confused, you can do go to ChatGPT and then say this is what you're promoting, what will work, and ChatGPT will give you the keywords to target. All you just need to do is just to copy and paste those right here, and the TikTok, and as long as you type it there and it's showing up, right, you can just go ahead and target them, and TikTok will be able to deliver your ad to that audience, right? You finish selecting every interest, anything that is related to what you want to promote, the next thing is to scroll down right here where it says placement. And right here, you will see the numbers based on our interest we've selected. Okay, this is the number of valuable audience for that particular interest. And then we'll go to the placement option. And right here, we have user comment and all of the, just leave it the way it is. Okay. And then click on continue. And once you click on continue, the final layer of our ad is the ad itself, right? The ad itself. So we just say, we'll come in here and say best ad. All right. So you give it a name and then you scroll down here. So we're using WhatsApp. If you want TikTok instant page, you can select that option. And then the WhatsApp number has been added here as well, right? And then for the creatives, we are going to add, if you want, if you don't have any creatives are the videos, the photos, the write-offs that we want to use. If you don't have, you can create, but we're going to click on the add option. Right here we have the recommended, right? Recommendation based on your destination. If you get anyone here, you can do that. Then we'll have TikTok posts. If you have post on your TikTok account already, you can go ahead and use that. Then we'll have creative library, and you can select anything you have here. But we're going to upload. Click on the upload option. Once we are here, we can just drag and drop our files, or we can just click to upload the file. So I'm going to drag all of the creatives that I've created for this. I think I have about 7 of them, and then just allow them to upload, right? This is the videos we created we're going to use for this ad. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these videos, right? Go ahead and click on the upload button and allow the videos to upload. Once it finish uploading, then we can add them up to our ad. Right, so our videos are finished uploading, and you can see 7 of 50 asset. That means we can use up to 50 videos for this ad. So we just go ahead and click on the save option right here. Once we click on the save option, you can see the preview of your ad, right? Any of these I select, you'll see this is how, the in-feed preview. This is how it's going to appear, and then send the message option right there. Okay, you'll see the send the message, a call to action, which is send the message option. You will see it right there. Okay, this is how your ad will appear right here. All right. If you scroll down to these text and add-ons, all right, so we need to add the identity for this is going to be, this is because we have linked up to our TikTok account already. And then here where it says show through ads only, if you uncheck this, these videos will automatically be published on your page, right? So as you can see, select the checkbox to limit your post to paid traffic. Otherwise, this post will appear on your TikTok profile and will be eligible to receive organic traffic. So it means there are some videos you can promote without being on your page, right? Once you check this box, the videos will not be displayed on your page. All right. So the next thing is to add the text. So we'll go ahead and leave that because we don't want that to show up on our page. And then the next thing is to add our text right here. So we can add up to 5 different texts. So text placeholder is about 100 characters. So we can go ahead and add text there. And if you once you add, the AI will suggest, right? Will suggest. So we need a quiet workshop in Abuja, fast Wi-Fi plus training space ready. So then the suggestions we have here with the AI suggestions, Abuja Premier Training Hub, fast Wi-Fi, and all of that. So if you want that, you can go ahead and select it, right? And then we can add up to 5 of this text. So let me just quickly run through that. Up to 5 test placeholders that we can add tests, as I've seen right here. And any of these Abuja workspace, you can just click on it and use the AI suggestion. All right. Abuja's workspace and training hub, your success starts here. You can go ahead and change that. Abuja creators and traders, if you want. Okay, you can go ahead and use the AI suggestions and all of that, right? Finish adding the text that accompanies your ad, then the next thing is call to action text. So if you click on the button here to edit, we have send message, we have get started today, and then 9 others. If you click here, if you want to select all, you can go ahead, but we have send message, get started today, register now. Register now doesn't follow, so I will remove that. Get started now, we can use that. Click to start. Okay, apply today, yeah, we can use that. Call us now, we can use that. Contact us today, we can use that. Check it out, apply now, learn more. All right, yeah, so we can use those ones. If you want to add more, you can just scroll and add anyone. All right, like contact us can equally go, book now can equally go. If you have any feature product, as you can see right here, that you allow your audience to discover one of your key product informations enter will be used to create personalized ad variable and all of that. We don't have any of those, so we can leave that as it is. That setting option right here. So interactive ads, if you want to create, for instance, these are pop-ups that tell you 50% off and all of that. If you click on this choose from library, you'll see a sample or an example of what that looks like, right? TikTok did not show us. Okay, there are previews of what you see, but these are pop-ups. It will just pop up 50% slash and all of that. This is where that is. Okay, and then you can add disclaimer too right here. Disclaimer, it can be text only or it can be clickable text and the rest, but we're not going to add any of this. And then tracking event, we don't really need this. These are optional, right? We don't need to do any of this. And then third party integration, we don't need any of this. And after that, the next thing is to publish our ad. You can see recommendation, usage, everything here is checked and we are on the 100% okay. Our ad group is 100% fully optimized and all of this. So we'll just go ahead and click on publish all. Ad is being created, so let's see what happens. 100%. Okay, so there is an issue right here, unable to publish. Something went wrong. Try again. Let's click on the fix option. What was the error right here? Click on this. Once you hover over the error, yes, say something went wrong, please try again. So click on the retry and see what happens. Okay, I think that has gone off. So we click on the publish all again. Now, if the error has to do with your ad, once you click on it, it automatically push you, take you to that exact, place that the problem is. Okay, maybe it was internet connection and all of that. So congratulations, our ad has been created, right? If you have an error, it did not publish because of internet, you try again. But if it is what you have done already, to just take you there and tell you that this is what was not going through. Okay. And yeah, this ad has been published. You can see it is pending. We just have to wait a bit, right? You will just have to wait a bit. Once it's reviewed, we'll get an email that our ad is up and running. Or once we come back and check, we'll see that our ad is up and running. And then we'll now start getting WhatsApp messages. All right. So that is it on how to run a lead generation ad directly to your WhatsApp.